Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So what is hair fall as such? There is normal shedding percentage in the hair, on the scalp, as well as there is a percentage of hair which is growing also, and there is a percentage of hair which is constant. It doesn't grow, it doesn't shed. It's in that constant phase, and it does go to a shedding phase after some time, right? So what is hair fall? Hair fall is known as hair shedding or hair loss, refers to a natural process where the hair is detached from the scalp. Right, this is very natural. It happens every day in the humans, as well as you have to remember that out of the 100% in people who are eating highly nutritious food and good amount of exercise and sleep and proper work schedule, usually 60 to 65%, they will be having hair in growing stage, and then 15% to 20% in the constant phase, and other 20% in the shedding phase, right? So this is normal. It is normal to shed hair every day, right? But what happens is that if it is called hair fall when this shedding stage or this shedding percentage of hair is increasing more than the percentage of hair which is growing or which is constant, then that is called as hair fall or hair loss issue, right? If your hair is falling, that is the strands of your hair are more than 100 to 120, then you can call it as hair fall. Or if you are losing hair more than 100 or 120 per day, then that is called as hair fall, right? And then what are the causes of hair fall? Patients who come to our clinic, they have lot of questions about hair fall, like why is it happening? I'm eating good food, and like some people just tell like we are eating good food, we are working out, but still we have this hair fall issue. Some people just tell we have PCOS, that is why maybe we are having hair fall issue. See, hair fall has wide variety of causes concerned to it. Sometimes you might come in the category of 2 or 3 causes, sometimes just a single cause, right? So we will evaluate what are the causes of hair fall. The primary one, and this is something which should not be neglected, is the hereditary hair loss or hereditary hair fall. If your fathers, your forefathers, your mother or your grandmother are suffering from hair fall or have suffered from hair fall, you might have the probability of suffering from hair fall. But if you super add it with some amount of stress or lifestyle disorders, it can occur at a very early age, right? And then we have sudden weight loss. This is something which needs to be stressed a lot while explanation. Reason being that there are so many Instagram trends right now about nutrition, about what to eat, about the calorie amount of food. Some people just post that I've lost 10 kgs in a month. Some people post I've lost 5 to 8 kgs in a month. Some people just say in a week through the fat flush diet I've lost 7 kgs or 4 kgs of weight. Remember that according to guidelines, your body losing something so fast is not appropriate. You have to lose 2.52 to 2.53 kgs per month, which is very, very, very slow, yet it is sustainable on a longer run. Do not lose more than 3 kgs per month. Do not lose 4 or 5 kgs in a week. It has negative effects on your body, and after this weight loss, some people experience hair loss along with the weight loss, and some people experience hair fall or this hair loss symptoms after they have lost at least 8 or 9 kgs, right? If it is not done in a proper manner. So please try to lose weight in a simplified steps, consistent manner, working out as well as dieting, as well as changing lifestyle, doing some lifestyle modifications. Do not lose more than 3 kgs. It's not good for your body. Okay, right? And then people are losing a lot of weight and seeing this Instagram trends. That is not right. You have to understand that it is not right, and many people are doing it are not even doctors, right? And then we have hormonal changes. Even hormonal changes, high amount of certain hormones can cause E1 dominance, that is estrone dominance, can cause hair fall. Sometimes PCOS can cause hair fall. PCODs sometimes with compared or with super added with nutritional deficiencies can cause hair fall, right? Hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, Graves disorder or Graves disease, autoimmune thyroiditis, all of this can have a negative impact on the hair, right? And also autoimmune diseases and even infections. This is something that I need to talk a little bit of. Remember that if you're someone who has suffered recently from dengue, from typhoid, from COVID like symptoms or COVID itself, say, remember that after viral infection or after bacterial infection, sometimes the body goes into a very weak stage after fighting the virus and after using a lot of antibiotics. So what happens is that normally the hair will start falling off after a disease, or after, it can be fever, it can be any sort of bacterial viral infection, which is very common. People are like, now I don't suffer with fever or pyrexia, now I don't have any other symptoms of what I used to suffer. But the hair fall can start during the fever, or it can start 2 to 3 months after your fever, right? So if you're someone who's suffering from post viral or post bacterial effects, you have to take care and see, do a blood picture and see what are the levels which have come down and come up, and take care of it, right? And then other causes are cancer treatments. Everybody knows that when you're taking chemotherapies, you do lose hair. And then medication, yes, that there are certain amount of medications which on a regular use, sometimes even hormonal contraceptives, can cause hair fall. And then stress is a major factor, lifestyle disorders are the major factor, the diet you're consuming is a major factor, if you're aging, that is also a major factor. All of this, especially stress these days, is a major cause behind lifestyle disorders as well as hair fall also. And then some people come to us saying, see, my mother used to have such long hair, I used to have very long thick coarse hair, even two handfuls used not to be enough for my hair. I used to have this big plate. I used to be a Rapunzel. That is what they used to say. Yes, used to be a Rapunzel. But what I would say is, if there is stress, no, even though there is no any family background of hair fall, you will experience hair fall. That is also extreme kind of hair fall. So make sure that you maintain your stress level or decrease your stress level. By maintaining, I mean like uh, take measures as to decrease this stress level in your body. And then even scalp conditions, if you're suffering with scalp psoriasis, or if you're suffering with eczema, if you're suffering dandruff, any of the other things, make sure you take those into consideration and get treatment for that. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOS or hair fall or any other female reproductive organ diseases, Fidicus homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kind of consultation options. The one is online consultation, and the second one is in-person or offline consultation. If you're someone who's staying by the nearest branch of Fidicus, so you can come and contact us or come in person and take doctor consultation. But if you're someone who's staying far away from us, you can take an online consultation. You can take either audio consultation or a video consultation. After an audio and video consultation, after investigations have been verified, especially to online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days, across the globe anywhere 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to get in touch with us or contact us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or messages. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have discussed how homeopathy is the best choice of medicine for lifestyle disorders as well as female reproductive organ diseases. Here we will be discussing how Fidicus homeopathy is the best choice in homeopathy. Fidicus homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we do follow 3 strict principles. One is, we are already experiencing good amount of success, that is high success rates in PCOS, PCOD, bulky uterus, adenomyosis, endometriosis, fibroids. So the success rate is really good. Apart from that, even Bartholin's cases, the success rate is really nice. And here we have transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Everything will be clearly explained to you. The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. Any sort of queries that you have or any sort of doubts that you are expressing will be cleared. If you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.